Innovation is
Okay. Innovation for me is
Innovation is
Yes, innovation is like
Something like
start camera action. Anything that you think is new.
a device or an idea which makes our life easy.
Finding new solutions to old problems.
Develop the existing process to make it more effective and useful.
Innovation has mainly two aspects. One is an idea, and then how to implement that idea.
Not actually inventing a new thing. According to me, it can be a doing same thing but in a different way.
It should differentiate from what machine is doing.
deviating from a normal way of execution.
It's the ability to convert ideas into invoices.
When your intellect is not hijacked by your prejudices, it is an innovation.
If you got a beer in your hand and if you don't have an opener, you can open it with your mouth in a traditional way, or you can find innovative ways to open it with a keychain or a spoon or a book.
Even a failure is also a kind of innovation which we should not repeat in future.
Coming together, understand the problem and give a solution for it in a better way.
It's converting of ideas into practical implementations.
You have this existing process and you do one simple change to make it better. That's innovation.
Whatever you are doing day to day, just make it efficient.
Something anyone can do by thinking out of box, which has to be helpful to the business in many ways.
Innovation is whatever you think without the influence of whatever you already learned or whatever you already know.
so, and every business I think needs to innovate constantly.
Trying to find clever, interesting, creative ways of generating more value.
value addition. Anything you do in your day-to-day life that adds value and makes your work easier.
Develop new values to the business through optimized solution.
It's just a reaction, right? You see a problem that you face in a day-to-day environment and you have a spontaneous reaction. Oh, this is how I can fix it.
It's more of an art, and there is no formula which defines innovation. It goes like X plus Y equal to innovation. It's more about questioning the formula and asking how it can be done better.
What do you think is innovation?
ये ऐसे सवाल पूछने वाले.
Should I speak?
3, 4, 2, 3. Should we find anything? Is
One
okay.
line?
Okay. I did not knew this.
Expression madam.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you can cut there.